Hey my powerful learners, welcome to the new video of Asra's Education Power. In today's video, we are going to solve the paper of LLB of first year second sem. Okay, this is the paper of September 2018 of English subject, English 2. So let's get started with the video. Before starting, do like, share and subscribe to my channel for the easiest learning video and to capture your knowledge. So let's get started with our topic. So first I'm going to view all the questions. After that we are going to solve each the thing in a very clear and understandable way. Okay, and I am going to give you all the tips for your examination. So let's get started with the video. So guys, this is our first bit, which is explain the meaning of following words or phrase. Okay, let's see. We will solve this, but let's see all the bits of a paper and then we will solve everything. Okay, so let's get started and view bit number B. This is bit number B. Bring out the differences in meaning in the following pairs of words by using them in sentence of your own. This is C. Team, teen. We have to find out the meaning of these pairs and we have to create a sentence of our own. And the next bit is read the following passage and answer the questions. Here it's the passage. See, it's a full passage here and we are having the all questions. We have to answer all of them. Okay, and the next bit is rewrite the following sentence in logical sequence. What is this? We are going to know in this video, so stay tuned and watch till end. Moving on to the next one, which is summarize the following passage by reducing it to 1/3 of its length. It is very important. It is for our 16 marks. Okay, and the next one is it's an optional one. Write an essay on demonetization. It's an essay. And the next one is match the following. Here we have to match it, and here we have to mark the primary accent in the following words. Okay, we will see what is it in detail. Write a letter to your brother about your college day celebration, or write a letter to your principal about ragging in the college. It's of 16 marks. All bits are of 16 marks in this paper. Okay, here it's a full view of the paper. See, it's a full view from top to bottom. And now we are going to solve all these problems. So here we are having the solutions of our first bit, which is the meaning of the following words or phrase. First word is ex officio. Ex officio, what it is meaning, what part of speech it is, means adjective, adverb. Okay, and we have to write this in this form also, and we have to also give an example to it because they are not giving for 8, they are giving us 16 marks. Each one carried 2 marks, so we have to write in an understandable way. Okay, first we have to explain the meaning of it and again an example of it. Okay, let's see it. Okay, let's continue. In camera, phrase in private, in particular taking place in private chamber of a judge. In camera, see, on this all words are the words which we use in legal language. Okay, English is a legal language in LLB. Okay, we have to write a word in these things in examination through our LLB knowledge, our legal knowledge. You cannot write camera means taking a picture of something or capturing something in a frame. No, we can't write it. we have to write in a legal language. Camera means what? In camera means what? In private, in particular, taking place in the private chamber of a judge with the press and public excluded. Camera. Okay. The English word chamber means room. Okay, comes with the same Latin word. Of course, these all are Latin words, and not all, but some are Latin words. Most of them are Latin words only. Okay, so we have to understand what is it. Mainly I suggest you Sujata Law Series book for your this LLB preparation for mostly all subjects, but English is the perfect one for your LLB from Sujata Law Series. Okay, when a judge is called, the opposing advocates to meet with them in chamber, they are meeting in camera. In camera means in private. Okay, got to know? As similar, we have to do all the same. Wait a minute, I will get a view of it. See, from the first one to the 8th one. Here it's a view. You can also take a screenshot and learn. Okay, all the meanings and example is compulsory for your full marks. Okay, you have to write in this way in your examination. Most of the students don't know this format, how to write it. Okay, and let's move on to the next one, which is B, means bring out the difference in meaning in the following pair of words by using them in sentence of your own. Let's see this thing. Okay, so before moving on to the question, we will see what is the correct format of a question. Bring out the difference in meaning in the following pairs of words by using them in sentence of your own. See this: team and team, 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 floor, floor, quote, quote, story, story. These are pronunciations are same, but the meaning and the things are very different in this. So we are going to solve this pair of words by using our own sentence. Okay, let's get started with our answer. So here it's a team. Team, it's a noun. This is an optional thing. Okay, an answer, it's an optional thing, or if you want an additional points, so you can write it team, and in this language you can write it. Of course, a group of players forming one side in a competitive game or a sport to come together as a team to achieve a common goal, to match or coordinate a garment with another. It's a team, it's a group work. What is team? To be full of, swarming with. Okay, it's a team. What is floor? Floor, the lower surface of your room, it's called floor, on which one may walk. It's a floor. The ground, it's floor. But what is flour? Which we eat. Here is flour, a powder content by grinding grain, typically wheat, and to use to make bread, cakes, and pastry, or to sprinkle work surface or cooking. Means it's a flour which we eat by grinding grains. It's a type of wheat. Okay, next one, quote. Quote means to repeat, to copy out from a speech, from a text, written something, to say something, to spoke by another person. Okay, quote. Coat, what is coat? A winter coat means outer garment with sleeves which keeps us hot. Okay, it's a coat, means it's a below your see this, an outer garment with sleeves, warm outdoors and typically extending below the hips. Example, a winter coat. It's called a coat which is made up of a animal fur or a hair to provide a layer or covering of something. Okay, story. What's a story? An amount of imaginary imaginary or real people and event told for entertainment, and account of past events in someone's life or in the development of something. The story of artificial intelligence, we hear no most of the stories from our grandparents. That's our stories. What is story? A part of building storage. It's three-store building. In 10th class, maybe you remember or not, in 10th class we used to learn a lesson, uh, mm, three storage room, maybe you remember or not. Sorry for interrupting. A part of building comprising all the rooms that are on same level, it's called storage. Example, a storage home, a storage house. Okay, this was our second bit. Let's move on to the next one, which is read the following passage and answer the questions. This is simple. We have to read it and answer the questions. Okay, nothing extra in that. And the next one is, see here, it's a B bit of second one. Rewrite the following sentence in logical sequence. This is the question. He walks earther fastly. Who are you? He fell down from a bus. Don't make noise. My brother's always studying. The earth is marking round the sun. He is either wrong or right. He is senior than me. So this is the answer for it. Just we have to correct it with our common sense and we have to write it in logical. Logical means biological think. See, who are you? I am a law student. Of course, you're a law student, right? I'm a law student. He walks rather fastly. Correction. He walks really fast. He fell down from a bus. When he got off the bus, he fell down on the street. See this fourth one. Don't make noise. Correction. Don't make a noise. See, it's just a little think of A. Don't make a noise. Okay. My brother's always studying. My brother is always studying. Okay. So of course these all are, we have to correct them and we have to write it. Okay. Let's move on to the third bit of part A. This is see this question. We have to summarize the passage by reducing it 1/3 of its length. See this. We are having a long passage till here. We have to reduce it. Let's see its answer. Okay. We have to write like this, reduced passage, and first we have to read what is in the passage and we have to understand it. After that we can write in the short way. In part B, we have to write any essay on demonetization. What is demonetization? How it is useful for us? What are the latest demonetization in India? What are the benefits of demonetization in India? We have to write like this. Okay. See, this is an essay for our 16 marks, no? So it should be something lengthy. Okay. Better to write that A1 only because it's too lengthy. See. After this, we are having the fourth bit of matching. We have to match these things. Let's be a question. So guys, this is our question. Match the following. Drop off. Find this. Where is drop off looking? Here. D1. It's a, see, we can know identify by looking this. Some other words from starting with I, we cannot just identify it, it is too different, but we have to understand this language and we have to do this for our 16 marks. Okay, nothing choice is there, we have to attend all the 8. Okay, let's see its answer. See, this is the answer of it. Drop off, conduct. See this, C here, K here, we cannot identify it, we have to learn this. Okay, see, book, book. So it's next one, it's an optional thing. Same this language only. What is permit? Mark the primary accent of following words. They will just give you permit, immediate. Wait a minute, I will show you this question. See this is the question. Just they will give us permit, immediate, photographer, blog, girls, lessons, languages, redesign. We have to write the answer like this. See this, we have to write answer like this. This is compulsory post. We have to write this language compulsory for your marks. Okay, after that, what is the meaning of this? You have to write this. Okay, official, allow to do something, an official document giving something, or authorization to do something. See, like this only we have to write all the things like immediate, photographer, blog, girls, lessons, language, redesign. Okay, after this thing, remember one thing bro, we have to write this language compulsory in this for getting 16 marks. If you write meaning only, you will get marks of course, but not 16 marks. They will just allow you 5 marks for all thing. But if you write this language, they will absolutely allow you 16 marks. Okay, let's move on to a fifth bit, which is a letter, and the last bit. Okay, letter to your brother about your college day celebration. Letter writing. Okay, so this is the letter from address to address. Dear brother, I'm absolutely fine here and hope that you will be also fine there. This is letter to describe about annual day celebration in my law college. Remember it, you are a law student and you have to write from your college. Maybe it's your freshest party or something that you have celebrated in your college with your friends, with your loved ones. Okay, and also do mention something high level language in your letter. Okay, not to your brother and sisters, but if you write a letter to your principal, letter to something officials, you can mention a high level of language. But in examination you have to mention a high level of language in your all letters. Okay, it may be to your brother, sister, friend, something else. Okay, so this is the view of the letter. After this, next bit, which is also a letter, part B. See, this is write a letter to your principal about ragging in the college. Complaint about the ragging in the college. To address respected sir, subject, write this and your faithfully student, your college name XXX. Never write your college name, students. Okay, and never use any signatures, any name, nothing. You have to write this XXX. Okay, date, you have to write this format only in your examinations. So this was our paper, and thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and for more videos of law, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, especially the law students, for getting the tips. Thank you.